we talk about psychological safety in the final skill of People School. In skill number 12, this is the most advanced. It's what we work up to through all of People School. And psychological safety is one of the hardest things to create, but one of the most important. So the first way we do it is honoring preferences. People often have felt that their psychological safety has been violated in the past when they felt that their needs or their boundaries or their preferences were not met or ignored. The number one thing you can do is just understanding just the basics of someone's preferences. When we're creatively brainstorming, what's your preference? Do you like to email back and forth? Do you like doing it in person? Do you want me to send the prompt ahead of time or do it later? When we're doing our one-on-one meetings, do you want me to send the agenda ahead of time? Do you like to think about it? Or do you want to do it together in person? When I want to do a quick pop by, what's better? Can I call you? Are you a call person or would you prefer a chat or a Slack? Even just asking for those preferences and all of those small scenarios that come up that can create awkwardness for people, it's honoring, it's showing, I want to try to come to you and I want to try to find where you are your best self, most creative self, most introverted or extroverted self, the best way that you communicate. So that's the first way. The second way, the more advanced way, especially if this is someone that you really want to invest deeply in, is learning and honoring their 5 personality traits. There's been a lot of personality tests in the workplace, DISC, Myers-Briggs, Colors. The most research-backed one is the Big 5, which I talk about in Captivate, but we also have a free tutorial on the website, sciencepeople.com/personality. I would challenge you, what are their Big 5 personality traits? How can you optimize for those traits? Their openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Go take the free quiz yourself. It's on the website. You can take it as many times as you want. Have them take the quiz and then discuss the results together. That is one of the single best ways you can honor someone's natural traits, and it creates so much psychological safety.